Yo guys, I'm chilling here with my coffee. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the front engine from an electric scooter. So let's go. Pow! So the first step is to flip the scooter so it's upside down. It's easier to work on. And the thing is, I don't have the things here that reflect, or like the yellow warning things like here in the back. But basically just like you pin them off just with a screwdriver. So we're gonna start by removing two bolts here. I think they are Allen keys, so I'm just gonna use this Torx Allen key thing because I'm a bit lazy to get the correct tool, but this one works fine as well. So let's see. We get a sip of this Greek coffee first. Then let's start working. So yeah, they're loose now, so I'm gonna start removing the cover for the battery because I have to deattach the cables to the engine, so let's do that. So to remove the back cover that covers the battery and the controller unit, it's just on this scooter. I don't know, maybe in yours it's different, but on this one it's just basically normal screws. But usually they get seized or stuck, so if you have this problem you can always like try to drill them out, or just like drill the hole bigger because it's just plastic, so it's kind of easy. But yeah, I'm gonna start removing it now. As you see, I have super glued mine before, so it's not supposed to be like that. But basically, yeah, here is the battery and here is the control unit, and it's held on by two bolts, also Allen keys. I'm not sure which size, but it's a small size. Maybe it's like Allen 5, something like that. But I'm gonna disconnect the cables and I'm gonna show you which one in just a moment. Right here. Yep. This is the last screw that is holding the control unit. Let's take the control unit out. out. As we can see the cables, I'm gonna show you in a moment how to. So how can you know which cables you're supposed to unplug? Basically, if you see, here is the engine cable. It goes here. Here you can see it, and then you can pull. And you can see which cables are affecting your pulling. But basically on this model is this one here, and then these 3 ones you're gonna disconnect.
1, 2, 3. The last one, 4. Next you pull. 2, 3.
And basically there you have the cables. This thing here is just a plastic that you can just like unwire really easily, just like this, just with your hands. Just plastic, you don't need it. So now the cable to the engine is free, so we can just remove these 2 screws and the engine will be completely off the bike. I'm just gonna take a quick coffee break and we remove this thing. We push the cables through the plastic cover. And there guys, we have it. The complete unit, the engine, everything. I'm not gonna take it apart because I'm gonna replace it completely, but this is the whole thing. Yeah, so that's basically how you do it. And to reassemble, it's the same but just reverse, but it's yeah, really easy. And the bolts are 19 millimeters for the wheel. And the other ones are like, you need a screwdriver, and also you need a set of like Allen keys or Torx keys. So yeah, that's basically it. Really easy. So yeah, that's it. That's how you remove the engine from an electric scooter. Really easy job. Took me about maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, really easy. So I recommend you, if you have a problem with your front engine or you need to change wheel bearings or something, you should totally do it yourself. But yeah, thanks a lot, and I see you next time.